Hello guys, welcome back again to Earth Global, and in this video we're gonna talk about seagulls, the most intelligent birds among the birds. So, seagulls. Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae. The majority of seagulls can be found near coastal habitats all over the world, particularly in the northern hemisphere. Some gulls will travel far inland in the non-breeding season, but otherwise they stick close. Most seagulls build their nest in a hollow depression on the ground and also sometimes on cliffs out of vegetation, feathers, rope, and even plastic. The nest is usually located next to a rock, log, or bush to protect it from predators. The scientific name for the seagull family is Laridae. This comes from the Latin term laurus of a seabird. The seagull eats a wide range of different foods. Its diet normally consists of fish, insects, earthworms, mollusks, rodent animals, small reptiles and amphibians, fruits and seeds, and even other birds and their eggs. Seagulls are typically medium to large birds, usually grey or white, often with black markings on the head or wings. They typically have harsh wailing or squawking calls, stout, longish bills, and webbed feet. Seagulls' nest is large, densely packed, noisy colonies. They lay 2 or 3 speckled eggs in nests composed of vegetation. Seagulls range in size from the little seagull at 120 grams and 29 centimeters to the great black-backed gull at 1.75 kilograms and 76 centimeters. They are generally uniform in shape with heavy bodies, long wings, and moderately long necks. The tails of all but 3 species are rounded. Most gull species are migratory, with birds moving to warmer habitats during the winter. But the extent to which they migrate varies species. Some migrate long distances, like Franklin's gull, which migrates from Canada to wintering grounds in the south of South America. Other species move much shorter distances and may simply disperse along the coasts near their breeding sites. Seagull populations show an unfortunate downward trend in numbers. The American herring gull has an estimated population of some 246,000 breeding pairs, which is actually down from its peak. It is estimated that numbers fell some 83% between 1966 and 2015. Altogether, millions of gulls can be found. So, as humans, it's our duty to protect seagulls from fading away from this world. So, before winding, let's listen to some of the famous facts about seagulls. The seagull is considered to be among the most intelligent birds in the world. Some seagulls will drop a mollusk shell onto a rock to break it open. Others have been observed baiting fish with bread. One of the most amazing facts is that they can remember new foraging strategies and pass them down to the next generation of gulls. Unlike most animals, the seagull can drink both fresh water and also salt water. A specialized gland right above the eyes can collect and then flush out the salt right through the nostrils. Seagulls have a small claw halfway up the lower leg that allows them to roost on high ledges without falling off. So, in this video, we talked about seagulls. See you next time with another video. Thank you for watching.